Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the essential tips and tricks on editing by Capcut applications on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Capcut application. You can start a new project by click this new project, and after that you just need to find out the sources of your video that you want to edit. For example, this one. So let's add into the project. Now we already have the project, and let's take a look on this video. Hear that this video is quite noise and the sound is quite disturbing, so I would like to reduce the noise on this video. So to do that, you just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to scroll these features or these tools into the left side until you found a reduce noise, this part. And after that you just need to click it, and after that go click this button to activate reduce the voice, and now you just need to go click done. You can see the difference between the first video and now. The noise is a little bit reduced compared to the previous thing. So that's the way, that's the essential tips and tricks on the Capcut that I would like to show you today. So hopefully it kind of like help you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this video if you find that this tutorial is quite got you so well.